Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by importing the clip and placing it on the timeline. This is where you control audio. Once done, reveal audio waveforms and zoom in so you see peaks and background noise patterns. Make sure to detach audio if you need separate control, because altering the clip audio is safer when it's independent. You'll also want to scrub and mark sections with obvious noise using playhead markers. That saves time when applying filters or manual fixes later. Select the audio or detached clip, then open Audio Adjustments and tick Reduce Background Noise. Start at 50% to hear the impact and then increase or decrease. You do this because Imovie uses spectral reduction. Higher percent removes more noise but can affect clarity. Once you have a baseline, switch to the equalizer and choose Voice Enhance or manually cut low-frequency rumbles and high hiss to taste. Make sure to play the whole section after each change to detect artifacts. Now refine by keyframing volume. Lower sections with remaining noise and lift quieter speech so levels stay consistent. If needed, add subtle background music at around -12 to -18 dB to mask residual hiss without covering dialogue. Once satisfied, export a short test clip and listen on headphones. This reveals artifacts you might miss on speakers. If you hear distortion, reduce noise reduction percent or undo equalizer boost.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.